How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here. I'm back with another XRP update. It will be a quick one today, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Over half of you aren't subscribed, so don't forget to do so. It does take a second. And yeah, stay tuned to these updates because we are expecting XRP to come down in the last few days. Let's go to the 5-day time frame. We've already drawn out the area that we'd like to see XRP being retested and held, which is our range low over here at the moment. As we broke through, we can see that for multiple months on end. Sorry, that's my dog coming into the room. Multiple months on end holding this area as resistance, but kept on failing to lose this low over here. We did have a scare because we had this ascending support over here, which had a breakout on this very scary day. Of course, on the 5-day it looks like nothing, but if we go to the daily, we can see what happened. Yeah, it was a basically happened in a day, but it was very quick. And essentially, if you do maintain this neckline of this head and shoulders pattern, you're not validating the target out of the pattern. So let's go back to the 5-day. So yeah, continue to hold that and essentially form something called an ascending triangle or double bottom. And the area that we kept on failing to break past was this area. We kept on having dumps, but kept on failing to lose this low. So higher lows essentially led to this eventual higher high over here that took us to a very key level of resistance. So it wouldn't be surprising if we do come back down to test these key levels, these previous levels of resistance as support. So if we did ever get priced down at 51 cent, I think this would be a great buy. As I mentioned in the last few updates, we could be in something where we are pumping like this, and that's where we are right now. And the reason being because we had this sort of neckline over here, which would be this point, and we can see a dump off right here, which is this, and just before that dump off we have another point over here, which would be this point. So with the court case, it sent you back down to that area, which would be this area over here. So I believe that if we ever came down to that area, that would be great, but this is the most likely one at about 50 cent rather than coming all the way back down to 35 to 43 cent. However, it could still happen. Just keep that in mind, but don't count on it. It's not a guarantee that it will happen. We added a specific reasoning over here. If we do get specific reasonings like this SEC appeal, this yeah, for the XRP lawsuit, if that comes into play, then yeah, maybe you do dump down a little bit lower than expected, and people will say, oh, you can't call that, blah blah blah. But yeah, you would have heard it here first if it actually does happen. But essentially, it should just come back down to test that, which would be this point over here, as that is also where we were catching support and bouncing while we were actually bullish. So yeah, just what we're doing now is reclaiming that level. It's not surprising to come back down to there. This is where I'll be looking to get some more XRP if we do get that opportunity. We can see the moving averages down there as well, and so yeah, that would just show us that that is a key level of support, which we know anyways. We identified it as the range low as well as this previous resistance over here, and just getting a nice resistance into flipped in support on SR flip. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If any of you need further assistance, just reach me out on my Twitter. The links are found in the description, or navigate through my website if you want to get into my Discord community, or do the course in your own time, or do the one-to-one coaching. That's it from me today. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace.